All you beautiful people. Got the headrests on, the three headrests there. Obviously the one on mine is obstructed a little bit by the fridge, but Michelle's giving me a hand now so we can get some of this other stuff together. Yeah, so this is how it looks now, obviously, as you can see. And floor's a bit dirty, don't worry about it. There's my bog. The drawer's missing from here because I've been working on the gas bottle, which is in there. Drawer's there, look. But yeah. And I'll show you what it's like after I've finished. Right guys, I'm going to do a bit of videoing. Michelle's helping me, this is like Michelle's department now. I built the fucker, she can help me just do all the finishing touches. Right.
Oh, I need to know where you put the screws first.
Right, where do you want me to put the screws?
Oh, because it's got to go. It's got to be.
It wants to go probably, does it?
Yeah, but
It's got to go higher, hasn't it?
Yeah, because you don't want to leave a gap.
No.
It's got to go up here.
Because you can't actually,
Then.
you can't actually get beyond this, you see.
No,
I mean, I can cheat a little, maybe, a little bit.
it's got to go at the top.
No, why don't I come off of here?
Yeah.
Come off of here. Yeah, let me show you, babe. Come off of here, right? Like yay. So it's obviously you want it to come up to the, here, don't you?
Yeah.
And then have it. Will that work? No. Something like that. So this piece can just curve, no? Or will that throw it out?
Well, no, yeah, because it's going to.
I mean, if we're not bothered about that little gap there, because obviously it curved the van, and this piece curves in here.
Yeah, so it's got to go from here.
So if it goes from here,
Yeah.
from there,
Yeah.
from there to there, yeah?
Yeah.
So I need to drill into here.
Careful.
What was it? Oh, hang on. Yeah, let me push that back. I can't fucking see. Ooh. Yeah?
Yeah.
So I ain't bolted this down yet because
No.
in case I need to do anything else. From the fucking hole I've just made now. Look at the fucking hole I just made. There. Where did I put that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Push that back in there, that'll be alright, won't it?
Well, if we put one end of the hooking.
Get that over there. Come on now. I'm trying to fucking rub it on ground. Yeah? What do I One sec. Let me just get that drill. Come on, drill. Thank you. Oh, fucker. Come off. Give me one sec. Thank you. This one in there.
Yeah. Okay.
Think so. Yeah?
Yeah. And it's got tight.
So we're going to there, yeah?
Yep.
So if I cut it back here a little bit and then make it a bit tighter,
Yep.
okay?
Yep.
We've got another hook. Okay?
Go.
Like that.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
And then these, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think they can see your heads in them. I don't even know if they can see anyway. Let me check. Can you see what we're doing over there? My coffee in there.
Do you want the black at the back or at the front?
No, yeah, that's the dark, because they're blackout ones, so how you've got them?
Like this?
Yeah, the nice material at the front. Put this drill bit back, babe, over there. How many is that?
That's two.
Is that two?
Yeah, so I'm just going to see what it's like.
Oops, oh, it's come off this end again. I'd have been better off putting the eyes on, not the things, I think. Get on, you fucking prick. Oh, it keeps coming off, babe.
That's it.
Yeah. Look, got an idea. Got an idea. Okay. We should have put maybe not a hook, and maybe not.
Is there not the
No, so I've got an idea.
set off?
Will it come off? I don't think they come off once you put them on. No, no, no. Like this. Is it? Was it coming out? No, it's
Oh,
not.
no, I think
See, I
so,
didn't
yeah.
think they
Yeah.
did. I remember
Right.
doing this before.
Right.
No, let me do. Let me just do something. I think I could stop it. Sorry, guys. Bear with. Nothing's ever fucking easy, is it? Good job I got all this fucking gear in here, innit? I must put this telly back out here. Look. Give me a sec, bye.
Okay.
Hold on in the fucking shit. I've got an idea, baby.
Yeah, so you've got a bit of a gap there. haven't you?
Pardon?
I suppose you could pull that up like that.
Well, I did say I could have fingered it, but we were just trying it, weren't we?
Yeah.
I can always change it. If at first you don't succeed, try again.
That's it. Exactly.
Exactly,
Don't
babe.
know till you try.
No, that's it. Right. Right, everything's so looking tight, isn't it, when it's so clean? Put more decent. Put the washers on it,
Yeah.
and then that'll stop it. That'll stop it from fucking lifting over the top of it. Oh my god, trying to get it is a nightmare. I can't fucking see. I've missed it, the bastard. Pulling that off there. It's so tight getting everywhere, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a different, yeah. I can't get it. I think I've got it. Hopefully now, that'll go behind that washer and fucking, it'll hold it. Right. Got the wires in the way now. They work, don't they? Yeah, that's two, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, two's enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just this bit here, isn't it? I mean, I could have done what I said, but it's hard because you can't actually get further back.
No.
Do you with me? And I didn't want to go lower because then obviously you're going to see over the top.
No, you might have to. Maybe
Oh yeah. Yeah, just do that. Yeah.
stuff in there.
Yeah, that'll work, won't it?
Like that.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah.
Just to get that corner, isn't it?
Yeah. So see what you have.
Have a look at the front. Mad, didn't we?
Oh yeah. No, you can't see anything.
No, well they are blackout ones, so
Yeah.
just gives you that bit, doesn't it? When you drive and open them, not that you can see anything back here, but
No.
it just gives it a bit better.
Yeah, and then
And
when
you can
you-
keep an eye on back here, can't you?
Yeah. And then when you go to sleep,
I still ain't took the protective cover off that fridge yet. Look, it's still on there.
just leave it on there.
I haven't got it on there. Well, for now, till it pisses me off. Right, let me grab my old TikTokers. Actually, you can fucking probably see anyway. But hang on a minute. There you go, guys. That's all right, isn't it? Yeah. We just had to tuck in that corner a little bit because obviously it stops there on that corner and you can't get that far in without bringing the curtain down and you're going to have a big gap across the top. Yeah, all right. Michelle's helping me with the next bit. Thanks, babe.
I am. Indeed.
I'll take this off anyway.
Right.
So let me take
Oh,
this.
you must. Yeah.
Take this off out of the way. Right, you can just sit. Okay, bye. Yeah?
Yep.
There we go.
Yeah.
How's that look, guys?
Cool.
That's all right, isn't it? Right, pause you while I get on the next one. Right, guys, next thing I'm going to do is these two tables, put them together. One's going on here, one's going over there. Right. Just got to go and get my extender for the drill bit because it won't reach into that back screw. So that's what I had to do. Just put this section on. Otherwise I can't get into the the back one because this bit it's the bracket. Well, the hinge. Put them in my screws, bits and pieces drawer right there. I've got to fucking move all that. I need to move all that and then the van can go further back. I've got the van forwards at the minute because, as you know, well, some of you won't because you're probably not watching my videos before. But, so, basically, this little girl sits there and I don't have a lot, do I? But obviously I've took the van forwards so I can get behind. But yeah, so she sits there, bless her. Right, just put you back there, pull you back up. And I need to take away, oh, I didn't fucking show you, did I? Basically, I need to get rid of all that. You remember before it used to go all the way over to there. So it was from there all the way across and then I took it down and got the shed, didn't I? So at the moment this is still here because I haven't got enough room, so I've got to build another one. See where the rubbish is there. So when I finish this day van, obviously because these are all boxes from this, that's going to have another one in there, and then all that lot behind me there is going to be inside that one that I put there. And then the garage, then we're going to start building the garage. So if you look at the height of the garage, this could be a high top and it would still come in here. So I said to Michelle, I want to keep that height, so we're going to replicate this roof, and then on that side where the Porsche is sitting, I'm going to go a little higher. So it'd be nice to have the van parked over there at times, because, not being funny, I fucking love this car, but she sits there and does nothing. She was MOT'd, passed her, well, I should hope she passed her MOT, fucking no advisory, fuck all. As I don't think she's had advisory for years now, but I look after this, and I don't want to dwell on. I'm not showing you guys this because I'm showing off for it. Guys, it's all my hard work. Don't fucking hate on me because of what I have. I don't hate on anybody in life. Good luck to you, whether you're a fucking rich man, poor man, multi-million, I don't care. We're all the same, guys. We all bleed the fucking same. We're all going to go the same way in the end, didn't we? But this is my pride and joy, guys, and it doesn't really get used, but that's fine. It's done 6,000 miles in 3 years, but it ain't a garage queen car. When it goes out, it gets driven, but yeah, I fucking hate it when I hear not obviously social media, but outside in the real world, people hating on me because I have this car and they think I'm a fucking show off. Guys, I put everything you see from that roof to that, everything you see on this car, the fucking wheels, the fucking brand new underneath suspension, I did everything on that car. I'm proud of myself to work on this Porsche and pretty much rebuild the whole thing underneath. And if you look at some of my previous videos, you know, don't fucking hate on people. That's the worst thing you can do. Be jealous or hate. Because if you're jealous and you're hating, you're spending all your time absorbed in somebody else's shit. Just you do it. You go and do it. Anybody can achieve all this, what we have. Just work hard. And yeah, I do a little bit of wheeling, dealing. But you know, I'll buy the odd thing here and there and sell it on and make a little profit. But pisses me off when I hear I'm getting hate for this car. It's just a fucking car. But it's my pride and joy and it's my car. But she sits there, bless her, and she don't get used enough and she needs to get used. So we've missed this year, you know, with the summer really. It went out once, I think. Yeah, I think we took it out once, but I love the car. I really, really love the car. Everything I've done on that car. But, and then the same with this day van, you know, I do this, not to show off, not to be big-headed. I just love it, guys, and I think those people that follow me, I've had a couple of people following me, and I had a chap that used to follow me from the Porsche group, and he fucks off, he unfollowed me. It's like, come on, don't fucking hate. You know, the guy's car's wank anyway, but, yeah, like I said, guys, it's just, yeah, it's not about showing off that car. She's beautiful. What can I say? But I hate it when I hear negative shit. What I'm doing, guys, is enjoying my life. Right, anyway, enough about that shit. Just stay along for the journey, guys. I'm a genuine person. You get nobody more honest and genuine than me. Only fucking tell that. No fakery here. Even use my fucking teeth to open the packet. What teeth I got left? Right. So, as I told you before, so this is obviously how you buy them. We much prefer that. We think that's pretty. It doesn't advertise it this way. It advertises it that way. £20 each. They were 22, whatever, 22, 23 quid. Because I bought two, I got them for 20. You can't beat that, can you? Right, but I want to go there. Obviously, as you can see, the door kicks. You can't fucking see, can you? But the door, basically, the door kicks. So the door, when you look at the door's at an angle. But obviously, I want it straight. So, yeah, we'll do it off eye anyway. Fuck some spirit levels. I'll just look at it like that, you see. And then I'm going to check in a minute. Just to make sure that can come down and he's going to miss the bed. Right, so it's not going to miss the bed, guys. That's what noise. He's not going to miss the bed. So what we've got to do is fine. We just come up till we miss the bed. That's where it's got to be there. She's got to be up there, so it's borderline, top of that board. Make sure I don't swing that fucking door into the car, eh? So that's where she's got to be up here. Sweet. I bet you can't fucking see now, can you? She's got to be up there. So that's where the board ends. And she's got to be more or less up there. Okay. Get the fucker out. So she's got to be there. And literally all I want this for is, like I said to Michelle, yeah? We're not always going to be in here, are we? We're going to have some chairs out here, and I've got that canopy. If you've seen my other video, I've got a canopy that goes over the top of here. And we can sit under that. If you put your drinks on the floor, fucking probably get ants and everything in there. You don't even know it. Just put them on there. I think it will be alright. Yeah. What about there, I reckon? Right. See how we can get these fuckers in. Probably need to leave that extender on there, don't I? Right, so she wants to be near the top of that board. Do everything by eye, me. You ask me, Sean. One in there. It'll be fucking hard, isn't it? I want to do this and not then hold that. Let's do it this way. I can see where it's got to go. This fucker ain't magnetic, see? I'll get one in, I'll be a fucking have some help, won't I? It's about right to me. I was going to jump on my fucking knee there. Right, hang on. Let me get this on here, see if we can get that on there. Right, pull that back a bit. You lot are probably fucking looking at me lot of fucking. I don't fucking do nothing with fuck it. It needs a fucking spirit level. Probably been fucking out anyway. Can't really level up on something that's already on the piss, can you? Bit difficult. As long as it fucking works, does its job. Sweet as. Right, see if I'm fucking out now. That's where that'd go, boom. One way to test it, isn't it? Hey. Right, we'll put you back here because I've got something else to do in a minute. I shut, look. And then I can lift that up. Look at how it's glistening. Can you see that? Really cool, isn't it? That's it. So I'll put my drinks on there. No. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, I'll put my drinks on there. Happy days. That's that done. Right, back in a minute. Right, guys, sorry I got carried away. I'm working on that table there to match the one on the other side. see that one. Look. That's it. And then we'll move this out of the way. Move that out of the way. Move that out of the way. Move that over there. I took that off as well. Got Allen keys out. Oh, we're good for that. Got two of these to go. Right. There you go. Got to be careful with bloody screws there. I'm going to climb over. Ooh, ah. Right, I don't know if you can see. Right, there you go. So we've got obviously twin tables now, either side. Just give a bit of extra. And then we've got this one obviously that we just done there. So we've got 3. This one for the outside. You'll see when I'm out in it, and yeah, you'll see what I mean about. We can sit down here, sit here on the outside, have our chairs, the canopy over the top of the van up there, and then yeah, we can use this little table just to put our drinks on. That's the idea. And put the van life up there. I'll show you the other bits in a minute. But anyway, right. So another thing I want to do is put this up on here. Again, off eye. Do everything off eye. That's what I do it. You look like you fucking botchy bastard. And you know what? I don't give a shit as long as it works. Oh, drop that fucker. Oh, I wish this fucking thing was magnetic. Got my fucking magnetic thing there. I wonder if I could use that. We just keep struggling. Fuck it. Yeah. Look at the art. Because if I have it like how the van door is, yeah. So that's the. You can't. I don't know if you can see. Hang on. So that is the board there. Look. Right. So if I follow that board, that's how it's going to be. It's going to be. You can look and see, can't you? So don't follow the van. Don't follow the board. Use your eye and have a look. Yep. That's how we do it. Isn't it? That looks fucking right to me. You won't put the fucking screw in. Keep dropping his fucking screw. Right, give me a minute. I'm going to try and magnetise this bastard. I've got a tool here that you can fucking magnetise things off of. Does it though? Oh, come on. Supposed to magnetise the fucker. A little bit. Oh, bother. I fucking buy these things, you know. You can't fucking see me, can you? I bought it. You can't fucking see me, can you? Anyways. I fucking buy these things, yeah. Fucking. Fuck it, it won't work. Honestly. I'll just fucking struggle then. Oh, if I could do it all again by eye now, for fuck's sake. Right, yeah, there. Telling you it's there. Believe me, honestly, God, it's there. It is there. I'm telling you it's there. It's level. Jobs are good, and yeah, they're fucking level with me. Right. How's the look on you lot? Yeah, it's fuck it. That's level. Look, that is. You don't even know that's level. Look, this video's 36 minutes. Breaking my records here. Right, anyway, that's that done. Next bit. Right, guys. So we got them two there. I've adjusted that one. It was out. I could see it from here. I was like, it's fucking. It's not on it. Anyway, I've adjusted that one. So we've got one there, one there, one there, and then I've put the holder there because I like to keep my remotes in there. And yeah, that's that. And then obviously we've done this one, and then I'm just going to do this back bit now. Right, guys, I hope you like it. It's yeah. Let's just do it. Let's reveal. Right, you know what the theme is. I just think it has a nice touch to it. My opinion. Yeah. It's just something different, isn't it? I don't know. I love it. I hope to get many, many, many adventures with this thing, I tell you. Fucking amount of effort I've put into it. I think them fucking exhausts look crazy and all. Fucking. I don't know, guys. Oh, fucking Jesus. Just a big kid and I. Anyway, I think I'm there today with what I've done today. So, yeah. I'm going to say, you know what, guys? Again, sorry about banging on about the negative shit I get on that Porsche and stuff. I wasn't trying to be a dick, but I just enjoy myself, guys. That's what you know. Van life, enjoy life. You know, it says it all there, really. So that's why I went for this theme for this van, because it's all about me being happy, Michelle being happy, Jay being happy, just everybody around me happy. People that were pulling me down. Do you know what? I just took them out of my life. Blocked loads of people on social media. I just don't want it anymore. I just want to be happy and enjoy myself, and that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to continue to do that. So please just be the same. Yeah, just fucking smile. Anyway, on that note, just take care, everybody. Yeah, and most of all, be lucky. Yeah.